So we want to know if the image that's shown on the screen is an image that's upright or upside down. And in order to test that, we're going to go ahead and assume two upright scenarios, and we'll see if one of those two makes sense. And if so, which one of the two makes sense? So the first scenario, as we can see, the sun is in the top part of the photo on the screen. The sun is not covered by the tree, but on the bottom part of the photo, the upside down image, which could be a reflection or not, the sun is covered by the tree. So we're going to go ahead and look at two scenarios and see which one seems to be the most correct for that. The first scenario, I'm just going to take a guess and say that the photo is indeed upright. So we'll say that the sun being right here, and so through the line of sight, the camera would be able to see the sun. Now, the other way that the camera would be able to see the sun is through a reflection. So obviously sun rays are shooting all over the place, but the particular ray that we're interested in is the one that reflects off of the lake and goes into the camera. Now, here's the problem. In both of these images of the sun, the reflection and the actual image straight from the sun, there is no tree blocking the image. So, I mean, at least from this scenario, it doesn't seem to work out. But what about this image here on the bottom? So let's say we have an upright scenario, and we'll say that the sun is indeed, for the direct part at least, covered by the tree. So the direct image of the sun is going to be partly shrouded by the tree there. And the other image would be the reflection. So again, light's coming all over the place out from the sun. But the part that we care about is that one ray that hits the lake and goes up to the camera. All right. So actually, this seems to work out because one of the images is blocked out by the sun. One of the images is not blocked out by the sun. If you go back to the picture that we saw, the top image, the upright image in the picture in the slide is not blocked out, but the bottom image is blocked out. So the only way for that to happen is for this picture to be upside down. So this seems to be the picture. This seems to be the scenario, but it is indeed upside down. Okay.